As China embarks on a new journey towards socialist modernization, experts worldwide have said that China has demonstrated tremendous progress in Chinese modernization, providing examples in various fields for other developing countries.
China modernization is original, taking into account its specific national condition, its historical process. So Africa needs to engage its original thinking and develop a roadmap to modernization that is suitable to our own condition. That is the lesson for China modernization.
In China, it is people-centered, sensitive to the needs of the people. Therefore, I think this is a model that is quite close to Chinese civilization, and similarly also close to African civilization, which is a family-centered, community-centered, people-centered.
China's model has worked for China very well, but it can be adapted by other countries depending on their own national conditions. So China can help share knowledge and also help the country to adapt this model of modernization to their specific needs and demands, because development only works when it is homespun. It has to be owned by your people. So I think China has knowledge, expertise, and experience to demonstrate to the world and share and let them choose what is really close to their own national priorities and can be adapted to their context.